10 factors to consider when determining how much to invest over spot for gold coins. Investing in gold coins involves more than just paying the spot price. Several factors can affect how much extra you might need to invest. Here's a quick guide to help you decide. 1. Rarity. Rare coins often cost more due to their limited supply and historical significance. 2. Condition. Coins in better condition, especially those graded by professionals, usually carry higher premiums. 3. Numismatic value. Coins valued for their rarity and historical importance, not just gold content, often have substantial premiums. 4. Market demand. High demand for gold coins, especially during uncertain times, can drive up prices. 5. Minting and design. Coins from reputable mints or with intricate designs often come with higher costs. 6. Liquidity. Coins that are easier to sell usually have higher premiums due to their marketability. 7. Certification. Coins that are authenticated and certified are more valuable and thus cost more. 8. Economic outlook. In times of economic uncertainty, premiums can rise as gold is seen as a safe investment. 9. Dealer fees. Dealers add markups to cover costs and profits, so compare prices before buying. 10. Investment goals. Your personal investment strategy should guide how much extra you're willing to pay over the spot price. Understanding these factors can help you make a wise investment in gold coins. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.